got a package. That's right, folks. Underworld Subroxxa. And Rick has been a friend of the community for a very long time, and we love his channel. And check out his Instagram as well, him and his wife. Underworld Subroxxa. So let's see what we got today with the package that we ordered from Rick. The Rickster. And let's get started off with this cool ass picture. Extreme pic. And a note says, thanks for the support. Us only. Rick, we love you, buddy. We love your channel, your content. We'll continue to support you. To avoid danger or suffocation, keep this bag away from babies and children. Do not use this bag in cribs, beds, carriages, or playpens. This bag is not a tiny discard bag or any other packaging materials. Awesome, Rick. And of course, we have some business cards for Underworld Subroxxa. So I will definitely support their content that they put out on their Instagram and their channel if they decide to do more YouTube channels. But with furthermore, let's get started with the packaging. He always calls me the Hobster, so I'm going to call him the Rickster. He also specializes in like underground horror, extreme horror, which is something that the Hobbs is a fan of for sure. But I ordered one of their combo bundles they have. You can get these bundles where you get, it's like a movie night bundle. So you can watch it with your girlfriend or your boyfriend. Look at that. Nice. Legalize cannibalism. Flush it. There's our sticker again. Looks like what we have here are some jalapeno cheddar peanuts and some honey habanero peanuts, some kick-ass peanuts. Maybe we'll save those for the midnight hour. Unless you guys are wanting me to do them now. We'll see. And then we have some ass-kicking chili lime popcorn. Wow, I've never had anything outside of the regular popcorn. Now, I always put hot sauce on my popcorn from time to time, so maybe I will do that. Chili lime popcorn. I love chili lime, so that'd be great. And then we have some ass-blasted hot sauce. Ass-blasted hot sauce. That'll go with my Uranus Burns hot sauce that I have. And then the 3-movie pack we got comes with Creature, which is a movie that I know for sure I enjoy. It's a creature feature sci-fi type thing. Did take place in the 80s. I enjoyed that one very much. And these other two I have not seen. Dahmer versus Gacy. Dahmer versus Gacy. Definitely have not seen that one. And this is one that will really have in mind. I may have seen this, but I may not have seen this. This is Blood Night with Danielle Harris, who we had on the midnight hour at one point in time. So here's all of our goodies. Get everything in the picture. Thank you, Rick. Everybody go check out Underworld Subroxxa. I'll put the link in the description for their website. Support their channel. Support people that are trying to, get their business up and running. And, all right, we'll try the popcorn. Or we'll try the peanuts. All right. Okay. All right. Going in. Pretty good flavor. I think you should probably do more than one at a time to get the kick. Not bad at all. You know it's not a good sign whenever the donkey's kicking the ass. Oh, now I'm getting a little bit of the heat afterwards. Yeah, hell yeah. Good stuff.